shoulder rotations now. So for the shoulder rotation, we'll break it down to start with. So you can do this standing, you can do this sitting, whatever feels good to you. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to take the arm straight up like so. Palm is facing inwards. And then back down again. Bring it up and back down. Things to watch out for here is when you bring the arm up, you don't want the chest to start to come forward and lean back, the ribs to flare, because then you're compensating. So keep everything locked in place. If that means you only get to there, you just move as far as there and that's it. If you get to there and you have to start to lean back, don't go that far. So get to the point where your end range, start to do a little rotation, so I sort of rotate the arm around, see the palm turning. And bring it down. So that's flexion. Now we're going to extension, just bring the arm back like that. So bring the arm back. Again, when I go back, I might be tempting to lean with the upper body, keep the upper body completely still, bring it back and down, back, down, back, down, back. Now start to rotate, like so. Okay, so now what we'll do is, I'm going to bring the arm up, palms facing in. Now I rotate with the shoulder joint now, so the palm starts to face forward, it faces away from me now. I keep it rotating in that direction, so I bring it all the way around. And I end up with the palm facing away and the thumb facing back, like that. Now I take it back, then I start to rotate the arm round, keep it going all the way around. If you notice my upper body is not moving, or very minimal movement, taking the shoulder around in the biggest circle I can, really slow and controlled, without moving the upper body. It might be tempting when you're coming round to start to do this in a lean, just don't do that. If it means you've got to make a smaller circle with the shoulder, that's what you do. Especially when you're coming back this way, it's definitely tempting to do that. Just make a smaller circle. Focus on keeping everything else completely still. I'll do the other side, so I'll do this side from the front. So I'll start off, palm facing in, bring it up and down, up and down, up. The shoulder is also staying neutral position. It might try and come up like that. Don't let it do that. Keep it down. Now take it back behind. Take it up and start to rotate in this end range. Take it down, an extension and back, extension and back, extension and back, extension and back, extension and back. Take it back, start to rotate. And we'll combine them, so I bring it up, palms facing inwards at the minute. I turn to the palm faces forward, and then faces away, and you keep going in that same direction, and eventually you'll end up the palm facing away and the thumb back. Take it back and rotate around. So you'll notice my upper body isn't leaning isn't leaning to the side. So I'm keeping it locked in place. Again, you want to avoid this happening and this happening. But that means you only make a smaller circle. So if I got to here and I had to lean, I just stop and I'll just bring the arm around like that in a smaller circle. Okay, so I can't help with this one. So if I'm doing my right arm now, to punch down with the floor with the left arm and tense the rest of the body up to lock it into place. That is a good thing to do as well. You can really lock the body into place, keep it all tensed up. Don't tense up 100%, but just maybe about 30% just so you can lock everything else into place. So I was doing the left arm, I'd lock the right arm into place. Come up, so I'm really strict with it, slow and controlled movements. Again, any pain, don't push past the pain, just make a smaller circle. And yeah, give that a shot.